How to schedule a live stream on Bigo Live. Check when your audience is most active. Evening during weekdays or middays on weekends work best. Write it down. For example, Saturday 7 p.m. local time. Just for going live, open the profile, tap your profile picture, tap preview, add your upcoming stream in it. Live Saturday at 7 p.m. Select time, select date, time, select live introduction. Post a short video or story announcing it, date, time, what you will do just before going live. Post a quick "Don't miss my live at this time." It's a reminder. Use hashtag or tags like hashtag live, hashtag Bigo to catch more eyes. At your scheduled time, open Bigo Live, tap Go Live, use the same title you promoted, and hit Go Live and welcome everyone. Boom, scheduled and ready. No built-in tools needed, just planning, promotion, and consistency. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more smart streaming. See you in the next one.